Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, may I know your name?
I'm Marites Tormanihodo.
Mhm.
I'm 27 years old. I'm a single. And I've been working in Hong Kong for almost 4 years.
Yeah.
And
Not almost, it's more than 4
more
years.
than
Right?
4 years.
And then,
And
okay, the first employer, how long?
2 years.
So, it's okay. How many members in the house?
There are 4 members
Okay, for a
in
day.
the family. 2 adults and 2 children.
Okay, the 2 children, how old?
The eldest is 6 years old and the younger is 3 years
Okay,
old.
you need to send them go to school?
Yes, I am the one.
Okay, on the way they're naughty and run around in the street. How can you handle?
I will hold their hands, sir.
Yes, right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if they're fighting in the house, how can you manage?
I try to talk to them,
Mhm.
and then I will inform my employer
Okay.
that sometimes we are not.
Mhm. Okay, the second employer, how long?
2 years and 5 months.
1 or 4 years.
Oh, because I want to take a rest.
You want to take a rest? Okay, how long have you been staying in Philippines?
Almost 2 years.
Okay, take a rest. 2 years.
Yes.
Now enough.
Not
So to go in Hong Kong again, right?
Yes.
Okay, the last employer in Hong Kong, how many members?
There are 4 members in the
Also 4,
family.
right?
Yes, sir.
2 children also?
Yes, sir.
How old?
The eldest is 10 and the younger is 8 years old.
Okay, you know marketing,
Yes, I know, sir.
cooking,
Yes.
using your good cook?
My mom told me
Your mom
that
said,
I'm
right?
good
Okay,
cooking.
what time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning about 6 a.m.
Wow, so early?
Yes.
Okay, for what?
Because I need to cook breakfast for the 2 kids,
Uh-huh.
and then wake them up, and then I need to bring them, send them to school early about 7:30, sir.
Okay, before we're in Hong Kong, how about the holiday, the day off?
My holiday, my day off is every Sunday.
Oh.
Sunday.
Okay, if the new employer, no Sunday holiday,
It's okay. It's okay for me, sir.
or no holiday pay by cash.
It's okay.
Okay for you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
No problem.
may I know when you will get married?
Maybe after
4 years?
possible 4 years, sir.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay. When you did something wrong in the house, the employer angry with you, okay, what you will do?
Maybe I keep silent, and then after that I will talk to my mom or sir if there's something wrong I've done.
Mhm.
So,
Okay. Any message to your future employer?
hello, mom, sir. I am Marites Bihodo. I've been working in Hong Kong for more than 4 years. And I can do marketing, ironing, cleaning, car washing, and then taking care of children and cooking, sir.
Yes, okay.
And I do promise to do my job and responsibilities, and I am hardworking, honest.
That's all?
Hope to see you soon. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, see you in Hong Kong, okay?